Patrick, is it okay? It's not too late for you, buddy?
No, we're good, we're good.
All right, all right. All right, people. You are not going to believe this one. You are not going to believe this one. I may have some sort of an issue. Here. I'm in RC head to the fullest. Like, I already got too many things going on. I got no time. I definitely do not need any more RCs, but I had to make this move. I'm about to pick up what I think is what I had mentioned to you guys already a while ago. I gave you guys a couple of hints of what it's going to be. Look at this. It's 9:09 p.m. But we got Patrick at Atlas Strength. There we go. About to start working out. All right. Patrick was helping people out all day. All right. His job is training people for all types of stuff. So me, I just had to work late at my job. All right. And I'm getting another RC today. All right. I got another RC delivered, but not to my house. There's no way I'm bringing that shit to my house. My wife cannot know about this. So I'm going to ask him if I can unbox it here. Patrick's laughing. He's cracking up, man. And he's hyped up on Animal Fury pre-workout. But let's unbox this together. There's no way in hell I'm bringing this thing to my house. My wife cannot know about this. It is serious, bro. So I'm going to bring the axe because we're going to unbox this thing the right way. This is something special. ROVAN is stepping up the game, kid. Oh, shit. What up, Patrick?
Got my Fury.
We got your Fury, kid. I was just talking about it. I saw it blue over there glowing up. I'm like, oh, shit. All right, bro. Yo, I'm happy, man. You're letting me do this. My wife can't know about this shit, man.
Of course.
But, yeah, so I had a delivery today at Atlas Strength. Went right to his place. We're going to unbox this. All right, we got the axe. We're going to unbox with that. Oh, shit. Look what we got here, kid. Yo, Patrick, man, I'm sorry, dude. I appreciate you doing this for me. Was this on your way with your clients or no?
No, you're good.
Man, look what we got here, kid. Yo, this box is big, man. Holy, this is bigger than the first box of the Primal Monster Truck, I think. What do we have here, people? All right, so this is not even out yet. It will be out very soon. It's a all-new, brand-new Baja 5T Max. All right, it's been through a couple of changes. All right, I had brought a few hints up in past videos. But I was not allowed to talk about it, but I did mention a few things. That ROVAN's stepping up the game, coming out with new and improved Bajas, with Baja platforms that's never been done before ever. They are stepping up the game, and right off the bat, it's coming with a 45cc engine. So let's open this sucker up. Let's look at this box. Row fun, kid. Get this here. Get a nice yeah, slice that son of a bitch right there. We got good shit. What we got here? Another box. Now, I also got some extra shocks. All right, I'll explain once we get further. Oh shit, I see the shocks already, kid. All right, what we got here? Okay, wow. Oh, so I didn't know it came with this body. Now, this was originally supposed to come with a different body, but I'm happy they're giving it with this body. This was going to be a different look. They're going with the 5T style body, so very cool. Man, we got a big ass wheels for a freaking Baja. Say what? I never seen a Baja with big ass wheels like this. BMT. Baja Monster Truck, I'm guessing. Baja Max truck, maybe? All right, so they are gonna call it the 5T. What we got here? What we got here? Beauty, the beauty. Oh, let me take these extra parts that I got. What the heck is Botajell doing with two Primal Monster trucks that are happy to see you, kid? Look at these shocks, kid. Super happy to see you, kid. Fucking shocks are no joke, man. Now, there's a reason for that. What? Do I see aluminum A-arms already? Bone stock? What? Damn. Oh, we gotta pull this out. We gotta pull this out. Bro, I don't know what the freak my wife is gonna say. She can't know about this. We got look like we got a nice pipe. What the heck? How wide is this shit? Man. Oh, damn, we even got nice shocks that come with it. Oh, wow. Look at this. Look at this, man. This thing is going to be a wide beast, man. What? Holy shit. Big ass wheels. And there was got a bumper. Got all our goodies. We got shock oil. We got air filter oil. And what oil is this? Differential oil. We got a remote. Yes, sir. We got a fly sky here, kid. All right, all right. What else we got? Nice. All right. Got a really cool bumper. Oh, I'm telling you, the plastic feels really good. This plastic is really good. You know what? I may pop this on my future 5SC build, one of these bumpers. I'm telling you, it feels durable. Feels. All right. Man, look at this beauty, man. Look at this beauty. Beautiful A-arms, man. What the? Oh, shit. Oh, my God. It comes with heavy-duty turnbuckles already. Let's do it under the hood. Let's do it under the hood. Yeah, this was originally supposed to look differently. All right. I already kind of knew about this already almost a year ago. All right. So, let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And it comes with that pipe that I like. That pipe, it screams with that pipe. Dude, what the fuck? This thing is like super wide, man. Look at these beautiful A-arms, man. Look at these beautiful shock tower braces and shock towers. This thing comes all heavy duty, bro. What? 45cc engine. Oh man, we gotta do velocity stack. We gotta do air filter. But I'm gonna run it bone stock. Oh shit, they're giving us, guys. You don't need to do a breather anymore. You don't have to do the fuel lines. That's awesome, man. They're listening to us. They are listening to us. Look at this, man. Look at this. Man, these shocks in the back are massive. Man, it comes with all heavy duty shit already. Wow, look at this. Oh, look at these hub nuts. Look at this. Super nice. Super nice. Wow, look at that, man. I think I'm gonna add some different shock oil on it. But look at these beauties, man. Look at this car. That's a sexy ass Baja. Now, I have future plans for this. Look at the rear shock tower brace. Shock tower brace is ridiculous. Serious. These are not regular shock tower braces. This is something super wide. Look at these towers. There's nothing to be done here. Oh shit, look at the steering. That's the steering like my my Baja Q, man. I love that steering. It steers so much better that way. Look at that. Now, I wasn't going to say anything. I was going to do a future video on it, but I'm just going to tell you right now. I already have. We haven't seen one of these run before yet. It's brand new. Never out. This is the first, people. This is the first that you get to see. Yes, I can throw on the wheels. I don't have time for it. Pat's over here, almost done with that Fury, and he's gonna start hitting those weights. So I got to be out. All right, I got to get this and be gone. But this thing has got to look ridiculous. I like how the beads are here with the rivet, stainless hardware here. Look at this. Oh, this is gonna be sick. This got to be a sick ass truck. I'm just getting a feel, a little picture here, more or less what it's gonna look like. Man, it's gonna be super wide. Look at that shit. What the damn. It's gonna be like almost 3 feet wide. That's about, we'll measure it. I'll have future videos of this in the future. I'm gonna somehow try to get this down to my basement. My wife can't know about this. All right, so I might as well just tell you right now. This is what I'm planning on doing in the future. Remove these rear beautiful shocks. Install them in the front, right? Install the Primal Monster Truck Happy to See You shocks in the back. That is. Bro, now you're talking. Now you're talking some serious long travel, son. And we can take advantage of that extra width. You know what I'm saying? That would be a super monster buggy. So I'm thinking, instead of building in the future a hybrid, why not start with this and make this my own type of hybrid? You know what I'm saying? I need a platform that has a heavy duty transmission that will support a big ass, big CC, big bore in the future. You understand? I think this is gonna be the one. And probably the only thing that you get out the box, besides the Primal Monster Truck. But I'm saying, for those speed runs, for those crazy fast type of driving on those fields with tall gear ratios, I think this is going to be the one. And it's going to be the one with the best suspension, long travel as hell. That's if you're doing it the way I'm thinking. All right, I'm sure they'll probably handle just great the way it is, but I'm saying, install the rear shock in the front. Install these big ass Happy to See You shocks in the back. Bro, you're talking about a huge monster spider type of legs in this thing. So that's my future plan. So quick unboxing, hopefully, and hopefully it's not too long. Again, just to give you guys a heads up, I got to get this into my house. I'm digging the body. I love the colors. This color is actually, these colors go with your gym, bro. With the Atlas, check it out. Check that out, kid. The black and red. You gotta get some Atlas stickers on this son bitch right here. It's gonna be a monster here. 45cc engine, great engine from ROVAN. Even the body's nice. I wonder if there's like a nice Dale Earnhardt wrap kit for this. I hate wrap kits, you guys know that, with a passion to install them, but I would so love to have a Dale Earnhardt number 3 on this. But there's no need, man. The paint job is beautiful on this thing, man. It really is. I'm digging it. All right, so I really wish I could bring this box home because with all this stuff, but it's hard for me because I can't bring this home. My wife can't know about this. It's because it is ridiculous what I'm doing. I have RCs everywhere. It is. I admit it. It's ridiculous what I'm doing. But I had to have this, bro. Yeah, you just gotta have this. I gotta have this in my collection. Put it that way, all right? I'm not even caught up with my builds, and I already have future plans for this. And I want to definitely try it out, bone stock, feel it out. I may go over the shocks, but change the oil on it, put thicker oil, and that's it. Have fun with it a little bit, play around with it. Break in this engine, all that. And then we will play with the suspension. We'll turn this into like some monster-ass spider type of freaking RC. All right? And then who knows? Maybe in the future I'll put an extended. But no, I think I'm going to probably keep it like this. All right, so stay tuned. Let me clean this up. Patrick has a dumpster outside, so I cannot bring this home. I'm going to throw out all the cardboard, everything outside in his container out there, and that's it. So tonight I'll try to bring in this Baja into my house late at night. It's all right, probably underneath my workbench in my garage. And then I'll throw everything else. I'll bring this downstairs. I'll throw everything else downstairs. I'll have that ready. So, all right. Damn, Patrick's already downstairs freaking hitting deadlifts. Oh, shit. I hear them plates slapping, kid. I hear them plates slapping down there. Before we go, we're going to say bye to Patrick. Let's see what he's up to down there. Look at these heavy-duty dog bones, kid. Even the rear shock, look at that heavy duty rear shock, man. Look at that shock shaft, it's ridiculous. Even the front, super thick, man. Look at the turnbuckles, bone stock out the box. Man. Look at this bad boy. Look at this bad boy in my truck. All right. Looks super nice. That red is nice. Goes good with the black. Look at that beautiful anodized red. Very nice. All right. So stay tuned. We got lots coming. We got lots coming, but all right. Look at that. I got the bag of parts down here at the dungeon. No PR today. He's just doing a lot of reps of heavy ass weight. Damn, pound it. Make that mistake again. Yeah. Look at that, people. Remember that last video? We got some heavy duty ass clips now. So look at that. Serious. Like thunder, bro. All right, people. As you can see, 47 minutes went by, and that's it. So I'm gonna head home, get my ass home. I'm gonna have a late dinner, and that's it. So stay tuned. We got, once again, lots coming. I'm gonna try to get my ass home and edit this, put everything together, and try to throw out the video tonight. And that's it. Just give you guys a heads up. We finally got this new ROVAN Baja. Let's see how it goes. ROVAN is not stopping here. Don't think, oh, it reached. There's this Baja Max now, or whatever. They're still improving the Baja. All right. There's gonna be more Bajas coming out in the future. So for those of you that said that the Baja died a long time ago, think again, people. The Baja, once again, the Baja is more alive now than ever before. So, all right, people. Till next time.